Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to dropship on Godaddy. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos. And now let's get into the video. So dropshipping on Godaddy involves like setting up an online store. So first we need to set up an online store, and then we're going to use these Godaddies and other dropshipping supplier in order to achieve these. So to start off with, what we're going to do is first we need to set up an online store. So you can either set up an online store from Godaddy, or you can, if you have a store already from WooCommerce or Shopify or any other store, you can also use that too. So either way, if you use the stores, what we're going to do is we need to get a domain from Godaddy. So that will be our first step. So firstly, if you don't have a store set up already, what you can do, you can simply set up a store from Godaddy. So go to Godaddy and then click on this website and hosting. Under website and hosting, click on online store. Okay, so click on online store, and then once you click on online store, this will take you to this builder page here. So you can click on start for free and then start setting up your online store. So I'm not going to go too much into detail about setting up online store, because we're going to cover mostly on drop shipping on this video. So you can use this Godaddy and then create your online store. Okay, just click on it and then follow a few prompts and then set up your store. Or if you have already set up a store, for example, like I've already got my Shopify store here. So I've got my Shopify store here and I've logged into my store here. So this is my Shopify store and I'm going to use this for this video. All right, so either way, what we're going to do first is we need a domain. So we need to get a domain from Godaddy. So we're going to get a domain from Godaddy. So what we're going to do, go to Godaddy, and then what we're going to do, so once you're on the Godaddy page here, so what we're going to do, let me sign into my Godaddy account. So if you have an account, just sign into your Godaddy account. So just do that, and then what I'm going to do is on the here, search for my domain. So for example, my name is Shan Cinemas. That's my business name. Then I'm going to search for domains. Okay, search for the domains. Okay, and then this will show up the best ones for you. So what you're going to do, just browse here and then select the one that best suits you. So for example, I've got this one here, so shancinemas.com.au. I will just use that. So click on make it yours and add it to your cart. Okay, so add it to your cart and then we need to complete the purchase. So that's done. Click on continue. Okay, so click on continue, and then we're going to purchase this. So you don't that, and then go back to your chart. So I'm gonna go back to my chart here. So okay, click on keep going, and then let's open up. Okay, so once I get to my chart here, so what I have to do now is simply complete the payment process and then complete the transaction. So here you can choose no for this, because you don't need it. If you don't want protection, you can just click no, and then you can leave all those, and then you don't need any additional things. Click on no, click on continue to cart. So this will take you to this page here. So once you're on this page here, so what you're going to do now is simply, as I mentioned, if you have an account, log into your account. Okay, so otherwise just create an account, so that's fine. So I'm just going to log into my account, so I'm going to do that. So on this payment page here, so simply select your preferred payment type, and then hit on checkout, and then just complete the transaction and complete the purchase. So once you have got the purchase the domain from Godaddy, so next what we're going to do is go to your store. So if you're using either from Godaddy or from your Shopify store, any store, so just go back to that. So once you have purchased here, so you will get your site details and all those informations, that required information you will have access to it. It will be accessible, and then go to your Shopify page here. So I'm going to use Shopify here in this case. So go to my Shopify page and then click on this settings option. So or if you're using WooCommerce, you can do the same thing as well here. So just whatever the provider is your store is, just go there, and then what we're going to do is click on settings and then select domains. Click on domain, and then what we're going to do is click on this connect existing domain. Okay, since we have already bought the domain, so now we're going to just connect it. So connect existing domain, and then just type in the domain name that you just purchased, so whatever from the Godaddy site. Okay, So just type that in. Okay, type that in your board and click on next. Okay, so when you click on next, so what happens is that you will get you will get connected with your domain, and then all the DNS address, everything will show up here, which you might need. Okay, so once that's done, so what we're going to do is, one last step is, we're going to update this DNS settings. So what we're going to do is to go to your GoDaddy option here, so GoDaddy website here, so go to your GoDaddy websites and then click on my accounts. So once you have logged into your GoDaddy site here, so click on my accounts. So let me go that. Click on your profile here and then click my products. Okay, so click on my my accounts, not products. Okay, click on my accounts, and then here what we're going to do is, once you're here, so click on domain, select the tiles icon, the dot icons there, and then click on domains. Okay, go to domains. So here you will see all the domains that you have purchased. So similarly, what you have to do is simply select the domain that you purchased, and then hit on manage, and then update the DNS settings. Okay, update the DNS settings. So once you are done with the updating DNS settings, the next step what we're going to do is we're going to connect it with the dropshipping platform. So we're going to connect with the dropshipping platform. To do that, what you're going to do is simply go to your Shopify store. Since I'm using Shopify, I'll go Shopify, and then what I'm going to do is go back to my store here. So I'll click on exit these settings, and then what I'm going to do is click on apps, click on the apps here, and then go to my apps page, and I'm going to search for Deezers. Okay, Deezers is actually it's actually one of the partners of AliExpress. So AliExpress, as you know, it's a commonly used dropshipping partner. So you can use Deezers. Okay, click on Deezers and then install Deezers on your Shopify account. So I'm going to do that. So all you have to do is simply install it. So what you're going to do, so select Deezers, and then you go to install it on your Shopify. So once you have installed it, we're going to go to the official Deezers page here, and then log in. So if you don't have an login account, you can simply create an account. So create an account and authorize it so that it can get connected to your Shopify store. Okay, you got to do that. So once that's done, you'll get to this page here. So you're in your platform here, so this page here. So now what we're going to do next is you're going to connect AliExpress. So click on, you will since I've already linked AliExpress, I'm getting this page here, but you will get to this page where I will ask you to link to AliExpress. Just click on link to AliExpress, and then it will take you to your AliExpress login page. So again, log into your AliExpress page there. So open up with your AliExpress login account. So you can simply create an account if you don't have. So log into that. So once you have logged into your page, then you will get to this site here. So this is the next page here that you will see in Deezers. So what we're going to do is we're going to import stuff to our store. So our store, which is our GoDaddy domain. So our store is connected to our GoDaddy domain. So all you have to do is simply select the item. So you can either search for any products here, or else you can simply choose an item here. So for example, let me use this. So click on the item, and then what we're going to do is simply push this to our store. So this is the item that I'm going to use. So I'm going to simply select the address, copy the link of that address. So copy that, and then go here. So once you have copied the list, so now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this import list. Go to import list. Okay, click on it and then paste the product link here. Okay, Deezers will source the product, the best one for you. So once it has been sourced, so what you're going to do here is simply select the product. So for example here, so this is the one that I just searched. Simply select the product and hit on push to store. So when you click on push to store, what happens is it will get to this page here. So here what happened, select this one, push to online store. So this will send it to your store, which is your GoDaddy domain store. So it will push it there. So click on it, tick this box, and then click on push to source. So once this is pushed, then once the order has been pushed, then it will be available on your GoDaddy domain here, so on your profile, which is on your store profile. So on your store, it will be available on your store, and then all you have to do is once the order has been placed, then everything will be taken care of. So like from the order fulfillment to shipping and tracking, everything will be fully automated, and it will be monitored by Deezers will take care of it. And that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.